My name is Shubham Santosh Pandit and today's date is 12 July 2021 and today's video topic is arrays in Java. Normally an array is a collection of similar type of element which has contiguous memory location. Java array in an object. Java array is an object which contains element of similar data type. Additionally, the elements of an array are stored in a contiguous memory location. It is a data structure where we store similar elements. We can store only fixed set of elements in Java array. Array in Java is index based. The first element of the array is stored at the 0th index, second element is stored as first index, and so on. Unlike C and C++, we can get the length of array using length member. In C++, we need to use the size of operator. In Java, array is an object of a dynamically generated class. Java array inherits the object class and implement the serializable as well as clonable interfaces. We can store primitive and implement we can store primitive values and objects in an array in Java. In like C++, we can also create a single dimensional or multi-dimensional array. Moreover, Java provides the feature of anonymous array which is not available in C or C++. Advantage. What is the advantage of array? First is code of optimization. Means it makes the code optimizable. We can retrieve or sort the data efficiently on random access. We can get any data located at any index position. Any index position. And disadvantage is limitation of size. We can store only the fixed size of elements in an array. It doesn't grow its size at runtime. To solve this problem, the collection framework is used in Java, which grows automatically on the requirement. The types of array used in Java are single dimensional array or multi-dimensional array. In single dimensional array, the syntax to declare the array in Java, that is data type, symbol of array that means square bracket, array semicolon, or data type array semicolon. Instantiation of array in Java, that is array reference value equal to new data type, and in square bracket the size of the array should be written after that semicolon. Example of Java array. Let's see the simple example of Java array where we are going to declare, instantiate, initialize and transfers an array. For example, you can take a class by name as array. In that take a main method and int a array equal to new int 5 should be written in array, which means the size of array should be 5, and a0 equal to initialize as a of 0 equal to 10, a of 1 equal to 20, a of 2 equal to 70, a of 3 is equal to 40, and a of 4 is equal to 50. And For that we'll take for loop, and value of integer for loop is from I equal to 0 to I less than a dot length, and we'll increment the I by 1, so we'll write there as I plus plus, and we'll print a of I, that means index, array index. So the output will be 10, 20, 70, 40 and 50. Declaration, instantiation and initialization of Java should be, we can declare, instantiate and initialize the Java array together by first int a of array equal to, in array 33, 3, 4 or 5 should be written in it. Let's see the simple example. We'll take a class array, and that take main method int a of array equal to 33, 3, 4 and 5. For that we'll take for loop from I equal to 0 to I less than array dot length, and increment should be I plus plus, and we'll print array index, and the output should be 33, 3, 4 and 5. For each loop for a Java array, we can also print Java array using for each loop. The Java array for each loop prints the array element one by one. It holds an array element in a variable that executes the body of the loop. The syntax of the for each loop is given below. For in bracket data type variable array, then in the curly braces the body of the loop and completion of curly braces. Then let us see the example of print of element of Java. Print the element of Java array using for each loop. We'll take a class by name array. In that we'll write a main method, and after that int array equal to, int a of array equal to 33, 3, 4 and 5. For that take a for loop int I same as array. So while printing system.out.println in bracket I should be written, because I is equal to the array, so the output will be 33, 3, 4 and 5. Then what is the passing array to the method in Java? So we can pass Java array to method so that we can reuse the same logic or any array. Let's see simple example to get the minimum number of array using a method. Take a class as a name array, and main method, instead of main method here we'll take static void min method, and in that int array, a of array should be written, and in curly braces int min equal to array a of 0, and for loop int I is equal to 1, I less than array dot length, and increment should be I plus plus. If min is greater than a of index, then min equal to a of index. So while printing min, the output should be while printing min, and also after that in main method will take int a of array equal to 33, 3, 4 and 5, and min of a, the output should be 3 because the minimum value in it is 3, so the output will be shown as 3. So it's all about array in Java. Thank you.